Okay, it's Liam's third birthday. Liam, what is that?
Yeah, you can open it. Christmas wrapping.
Yeah. And then there's Miss Kate. Hi. Mom. Open it up, Liam.
Rip it.
Tear that paper.
I'm tearing it. I'm tearing it well. I'm tearing it well.
Are you excited?
Wow. Oh.
What is it?
Liam, it's a schoolhouse with a school bus.
Do you like it? Do you know what it is? Here, let me help you.
What is it?
Okay.
It's from
Did you open it up?
Costco.
It is! We love things from
What
Costco.
is in it?
Let me get some scissors to do the tape, okay?
What is it, Daddy?
All that, see the pictures on there? Those are inside of the box.
A school bus and a house.